Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the Samsung Internet app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Whether you will be able to delete the Samsung Internet app fully depends on which Samsung phone you have. I managed to uninstall the app fully on my Samsung Galaxy with no problems, but I know this doesn't work for everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete the app, but also how to remove all permissions and change your default browser if your phone is one of the ones that doesn't allow the app to be fully removed. Hold down on the Samsung Internet app until this menu appears. Tap Uninstall from the options. Tap OK on the pop-up. As you can see, my app deleted fully. If this didn't work for you or the uninstall option wasn't available, you can follow the next steps. Open up the Settings app and scroll down to and open Apps. Tap the search icon in the top right corner and search for Internet. Click on it to open the app settings. Tap Notifications and make sure that the toggle is switched off, and it says all notifications from this app are blocked. Go back to the previous page and tap Permissions. You now want to make sure that no permissions are allowed. If there are any permissions allowed here, select them and choose Don't Allow. On the previous page, under the Defaults heading, tap Browser App. Make sure that Samsung Internet is not selected. Choose another browser to be your default. You can try to click Uninstall here, but if it didn't work the other way I showed you, then it most likely will be grayed out or not an option here. You can tap Force Stop to make sure that Samsung Internet is fully closed. Tap OK on the pop-up. Scroll down the app settings and tap Appear on top. Turn off the toggle to stop Appear on top from being allowed. Tap Change System Settings and turn off that toggle too. Scroll to the top of the app settings and tap on Samsung Internet Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap on Discontinue Use of Samsung Internet. Tap Discontinue and then tap Discontinue again. The last thing you can do is find the app on your home screen and hold down on it, then tap Remove. This will remove the app from your home screen. It will still be in the app drawer, but at least you won't see it on your home screen. Hopefully doing all of these things should stop the Samsung Internet app from bothering you in the future. As I said before, it won't delete the app, but it should stop it from opening, sending you notifications, and popping up on top of other apps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.